Well, thanks, Jim. One of the great challenges is actually using the cards across government for what they were intended to be used for. So over the past few years, we've done a tremendous job of validating hundreds of thousands of employees and issuing solid credentials to them. But if it's just an ID card that hangs around the neck,
Right.
then that's all for naught,
Yeah,
essentially.
right.
So the White House has set cross-agency priority goals. And one of those cybersecurity goals is the use of the PIV credential across government for logical access and physical access. So that is obviously a challenge because procedures, processes, systems, and technology have to be put in place
Right.
that actually take advantage of the capability that they already have hanging around their neck.
Correct.
Roles and responsibilities. We typically have one office responsible for physical security, another office responsible for personnel security, and yet a third for IT and system security.
Right.
And those processes need to be integrated.
Sure.
Something as simple as taking a credential away from an employee or a contractor when their contract or their employment
Right.
comes to an end becomes very critical.
Sure.
It becomes a problem across, or a challenge across all three of those areas.
Right. Especially if it's an unfriendly departure.
That is exactly right. And that's not a problem unique to government. That's,
Right.
that's common across
Right.
government and industry. And that, with it, that brings about the challenge or the cost of getting the right equipment, getting the right software, getting the capabilities to, for each individual agency to take advantage of these
Right.
capabilities, and then the greater challenge of the fact that we have a common credential across government and that we should be able to use it then
For all these other
between
potential applications.
the other agencies as well, that,
Right.
that I should be able to walk into
Right.
and be validated
Have
by.
Yeah,
Not-
reciprocity amongst the various agencies.
Not free access to walk wherever I want in the Department of Energy, but if I have a reason to be there, they're able to say, yes, this is Larry Hale, and he's here for a valid reason.
Look